Okay, welcome dear once again to our online class. Due to this pandemic, coronavirus, we cannot meet face to face with each other in our regular studies, in our regular class. So here we got an opportunity meet with each other through online classes. Welcome once again, my dears. So here I am Mrs. Pramila Nitin Wagmare taking today a lesson of your EVS 1. This is our online education through Brihan Mumbai Mahanagarpalika Education Department. My CNO is Mr. Ratilal. I would like to take this opportunity to say thank you to our administrative officer, Mrs. Snehalata Dungre, Nodal Beat Officer, Mr. Sharad Kurhade, Nodal HM, Mrs. Mary Pushpam Paul, Assistant Nodal HM, Mrs. Manpreeti Kaur, and CNO, Mr. Ratilal. As you know that our society is built up through various great personalities. Some are known to us, some are not known to us. And here I have one thought for my dears that shows that one person cannot change the society. Each one have to contribute for their work. So one of this personality tells us that what I can do, you cannot do. What you can do, I cannot do. But together we can do something beautiful for society. Just like our 5 fingers. Our 5 fingers are not similar in any way, but we put them together. It gives us strength to do anything. With our whole hand, we can do anything. We can punch to anyone for wrong thing, and we can hold a thing for a good thing. So let's come together to fight against this pandemic, this disease, coronavirus. Let's stand for our society and let's move ahead. You must know what good habits you have. Please let me know who can answer me.
Yes, teacher. I brush my teeth twice a morning and night.
Yes.
And bath daily.
Yes, very good.
And
Anything else?
Yes, and do my homework, online studies daily.
Very nice, dear. Very good.
And
yes, yes. And we also have some bad habits also. Is that?
Yes.
Yes, let me know then. For example, not telling to mother regarding our something happened with us, like that way. Fighting with
I didn't fold my clothes and keep it.
Yes, that's true. Very good, dear. What do we require for good health? So, what do we require for a good health? What a person required for a good health? Just like a good health required proper diet.
We should drink the milk We should eat the apples and not eat.
Yes, very good. Something else?
We should not eat the junk food. We should
Yes,
eat the home food.
yes. Avoid junk food, have home food only, have plenty of water required to your body. And anything else do we require? Let's see.
We should drink the more waters in a day.
Yes, we should drink a plenty of water for our body in a day, because you know this, that our body is made up of lots of water. Is that okay? Now let's move ahead to know about some diseases. How can you say, tell me in this picture what you can see?
Teachers, it is a diseases.
Huh?
Diseases transmission.
Yes, yes.
This is infection.
Yes, it is infectious diseases.
And teacher, the boy has chicken pox.
Yes, this small boy has chicken pox. And what about this? These two boys are shaking hands with each other.
Teacher, I think they are friends and they are shaking their hands with each other.
And with that,
They
what
got
happened?
the virus of them.
Yes, it leads to spread of virus through their body touch. Some diseases spread through water. Is that?
Yes.
Some diseases spread through air. Isn't?
Yes.
And
Yes.
some diseases spread through our interaction, our body touch. Here, see this? This boy is facing chicken pox problem. Yes.
Some diseases spread from through air. Some diseases
Yes.
food.
Yes, very good.
And some diseases spread from insects.
Yes, very good, dear. Now we are facing the same problem right now. Due to that, we are at our home, and it is guided us that stay at home, take a lockdown, be at home only, not to go in public, to stop this coronavirus. Isn't?
Yes.
Yes. Now let me know what is the meaning of community. In the last lecture of EVS, you must have learned about a village settlement. Isn't?
Yes.
Village settlement means that when people come together and settle on a particular place.
Teacher, all the people who live in the particular place, area, etc. when considered as a group.
Yes, and it is also known as a society.
Yes.
Yes, and it is a community. Community when number of people come together and live together. Here we will go ahead with our next lesson about community, that is our society, and health and hygiene. The health and hygiene about our society. As we take care of our individual health, we must have to take care of our society also. And let's move ahead with this topic only, community health. What is the meaning of community health? As we required, what do we require for personal health and hygiene? Please read this.
Nutrition, food, personal hygiene, exercise, and pursuits of hobbies leads to long health, bubbles, and good personal development and good personality development. Deployment.
Yes, nutritious food, personal hygiene, regular exercise, pursuit of good habits leads to our excellent health and good personal development. When somebody appreciates you, yes, dear, very good it is. How do you feel?
We feel very.
Yes, you feel very proud of yourself. Yes, I done something good, isn't?
Yes, teacher.
Like that only, if any society is good at their health and hygiene, it leads to progress of the whole society and the whole nation, and like that only for whole world. So to protect our world, nation, our state, city, and at the end, our society and ourselves, we have to go for a good health. Now let's check out what are some barriers are there for our community health. What is meaning? Threats means the barriers, misunderstanding, and misconception about the community health. Sometimes we think that what happened if I didn't done? What happened if my family didn't done? But no, it leads to the next house also. That one if also not done, the whole society gets affected. Now see here, please read for us.
Pollution, failure, epidemic of infection, disease, addiction, drinking from disease, or community health to natural diseases are all threats to community to community health.
Very good here. Now in this picture you can see the smoke from the companies.
And teacher, the
Big
man
plants of companies throw smoke out. It affects the air pollution. It
and teacher,
leads
in
to
the
air
second picture,
pollution.
the man is sitting on the chair and spitting.
Yes, the man is sitting on the chair and he is spitting, and that makes the air also dirty and the place also dirty. That lady is sweeping the with broom and the small child is playing nearby. It also leads to bad health. With all this, we cannot say that our society is leading towards the good health, our community moving for a good health. Is that
Yes.
clear, all of my dears?
Yes, miss. Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now let's move ahead to know something about the community health, the importance of community health. As I told you before, if the community is good in health, it leads to progress of the society. Let's have a look at this picture and please read this for us.
Of a people rules a country are the most important factors in a country progress and development. Their health can be protected if they have a clean environment, good sticky water and good food, safe mass media, drinking water and good medical facility. Mass media are used to educate people about issues which as taking care of
Water, yes.
drinking
Yes.
water, and food.
Yes. Now see in this picture, some people are gathering. They are looking quite happy and healthy. Isn't?
Yes.
Healthy society means the progress of the nation. And through mass media, internet, radio, television, magazines, newspapers, we understand, we get knowledge about the various diseases and about also good nutritious food, safe drinking water. Now let me know how you get know about the coronavirus. What help you to know about coronavirus? Through net, through TV. You got the news 1 year before that in China there was havoc of the coronavirus and that may spread throughout the world. Isn't? Isn't? Is
Yes.
that?
Yes.
Yes, through TV news, through papers, we got this news that in Europe, in America, coronavirus spreads very strongly and quickly, and it may going to affect to India also. So what our Prime Minister done? What decisions are taken by our leaders?
Teacher, we should
Yes.
and wear the mask and what?
Yes, very good, dear. To put on mask regularly while we are moving out, not to touch anything, use of sanitizers. All these information are spread to the common people through the internet, through the television, through radio, and our nations the lockdown. Isn't? Our schools has been stopped. We are at home only due to this coronavirus. Isn't? It is one of the very severe disease till the date we are suffering through. Each society's common people are most important factor in country's progress. If they are safe, then country is safe. If they are developing, that means country is developing. And that's why common people, citizens' health can be protected if they have a clean environment, nutritious food, safe drinking water, and good medical facilities. And that's why our government is providing medical facilities at very low cost. Mass media like TV, news, radio, internet are used to educate people about issues such as taking care of water, health, food, and also sometimes it shows through the advertise how to take care of our clothes also. Do you have seen?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now let's move on to know something more about our community health. Okay.
Okay, teacher.
Now use of mass media to educate people. How does it is used? Yes.
Mass media, so TV, or that just news. Although it was something misunderstanding in this way, it can use it as purpose. Offset to guide in public places can include advertising, marketing, the spread of disease, and political communication.
Yes, dear. Now read this for us.
Though TV, radio, newspaper, papers are great to keep their surrounding clean. It is a legal offense to spit in the public place. The aim behind it is to prevent the spread of diseases.
Yes, in this picture you can see that here some people are listening to radio. Through radio, government guide the people how to take care of their surrounding. During the tsunami, during heavy rainfall, it is always, yes, news are spread to take care of their health and hygiene. Here in this picture, you can see some people are reading newspaper. And in the last picture, you can see some people are watching TV to understand about the various misconceptions. You must have learned about there is a ban to speak in public places
Yes, teacher.
and for smoking also.
Yes.
Why it is banned? The aim behind it is to just prevent the spread of various diseases like TB, cholera, and so many, which are spread through air. Smoking, why it is a ban on smoking? Because when you are not smoking, but the bad smoke also affect the common people also. Is that?
Yes.
Yes. Now let's move ahead. As you know, we have some good habits and we have some bad habits. Like that only, our society also have some good habits and some bad habits. Let's see what are they. The threat to the good health of the community. Now, please take screenshot of this and you can do it at your home at your own time.
Teacher, can I tell?
Yes. I will also provide you, but right now you also can take it.
Okay.
And let's read it. Here, let me give you instructions about this screen. Carelessness regarding health and hygiene is an important threat to the community. Carelessness means not to do something good. I will do it afterwards. Let it be. What happened if I can't do? This type of carelessness may lead to the threat of community health. Following are some actions given, mark which are harmful for the and society and which are harmful, please cross it. Yes?
Okay, teacher.
Burning of old tire. Is that
Teacher,
good for the society?
no, teacher. Burning
What
of
we have to put here?
lead of harmful smoke which include poison gases and have bad
Yes.
habits on the environment.
Very good, dear. So here against one, you please put cross mark. Spitting anywhere on the road.
Teacher, wrong, because spitting anywhere on the road is very bad because it makes the place dirty. If the person
Yes.
has any diseases and spits to the public place, it may spread diseases to others.
Yes. Using public toilet. Instead of standing on road,
No,
you
teacher.
must have to use public toilet, isn't?
No, because
Yes.
the public toilets are not proper hygiene. They are very dirty. If we use such toilet, it may causes any harmful diseases.
Yes, very good. Looking after domestic animals.
Right.
Yes, it is very right. Following doctor's instructions in case of infectious diseases.
Right.
Yes, it is right. We have to follow doctor's instructions to care ourselves and not to spread infectious diseases. Very good, dear. Now, next one is washing hands before a meal or snacks.
Right.
Yes, we have to wash our hands regularly before we take any meal or any snacks. And that's why nowadays it is instructed to all citizens to use sanitize on the way wherever they are going. Throwing the garbage from your house on the road.
Teacher, wrong. Because the
Yes.
garbage content has full materials. It smells bad.
Yes, it contains our garbage contains some harmful materials, and that's why it may lead to other people to get any infection.
Teacher, if we thrown on the road, it may badly affect on our health.
Yes, it also affect on our health. Now let's have some other things what cause to the community health. It is a very common habit of each and every people, many people, not each and every, many people in India to consume, to use, to chew tobacco. You must have seen the many people in India use tobacco through small cigarettes or through their regular chewing habits. Please read this for us.
Okay, people consuming. Teacher, what is this?
Consuming
Consuming, and teacher next word is
tobacco
tobacco in different ways. All these are harmful for their health. A person may chew tobacco at someone arguing, but this is may lead of addict. The person become dependent of the tobacco and cannot give up the habit. When the people deploy this habit, they become restless if they do not get tobacco. When he habits reached this stage is called an addict. People addicted to tobacco spit here and there all the time and make the surrounding dirty.
very good, dear. When people consuming tobacco in different way, people in India use tobacco in very different way. Some women have habit to put tobacco powder as a toothpaste, as a tooth powder. It is also bad habit. All these are harmful for their health. A person may chew tobacco at someone's urge. We are doing some good things with our friends' urge, and we are doing some bad things also with our friends' urge. But this may lead to addiction. If it is good addiction, then it doesn't make anything wrong for our society. But if it is bad habit, it affects a lot. When a person becomes dependent on tobacco and cannot give up the habit, this habit make that person restless, and if they do not get tobacco, when this habit reaches this stage, it is called addiction. People addicted to tobacco spit here and there all the time and make their surroundings dirty. So this is a first threat to our community health. Now let's move ahead to see the ill effects of tobacco consumption. Okay, read this. Read one and stop. Yes, dear.
The alacas deploy into bigger ones. The person may suffer with tumor if
Okay, stop here. This tobacco consumption may lead to ulcer in the mouth. That means our mouth gets bubbles and it affects our mouth health. Then if this ulcer develop into bigger wound, that may lead to So that person may suffer with a tumor. Okay, read the next one. This
If we
third
don't
one.
heal, the person has serious problems. This can eventually lead to cancer. A lot of time and money has to be spent on treatment.
Yes. This if the person use tobacco all the time, it may cause to tumor, and this tumor may turn into cancer. And this cancer, you must know, required a lot of time and money to be spent on treatment. Now read the next one.
Tobacco entering the digestive organs leads to complaint related to them. The constant presence of tobacco in the digestive organ can cause cancer of any of those organs.
Okay. If someone is chewing tobacco all the time, this tobacco enters into our digestive organ. And you learned about our digestive system. The body, our some organs, internal organs that affects a lot. And this constant presence of tobacco in our digestive system, in our large intestine, small intestine, it may cause the cancer of any of those organs. Now, please read the next one.
Okay, Rishabh. A person who deploys cancer in this way to take very painful treatment, even after that, one cannot be sure that the cancer will be cured.
Yes. The person, if he's suffering with a cancer, if he develops the cancer in the internal organs, he have to go through a painful treatment, and sometimes that treatment also doesn't help him to cure of it. Now let's move towards the alcoholism. Alcoholism means to consumption of alcohol. Please read this.
Drinking alcohol also has adverse effects on the body. Addition to alcohol is called the teacher. What is this?
Alcoholism.
Alcoholism. Alcoholism makes a person drowsy and confused. One lost control over one action. Alcohol causes diseases of the liver, intestine, and urinary bladder. It is the best to stay away from the bad habits. Never with the neglect about health. The conditions of the addiction becomes petty and the affects family too has to suffer with them. There is no telling how much money will be required for treatment. Besides, everyone
Okay.
is put off great
Yes, dear.
trouble
Now,
and lot of time and effect are wasted. The family get deprived of the health and happiness are its ruined.
yes. So here we can discuss about the alcoholic person. You must have seen some or other one have a bad habit of using alcohol regularly, drinking alcohol regularly. Drinking alcohol also has adverse effect on the body. Addiction to alcohol is called alcoholism. When somebody use alcohol regularly, it is called addiction and it is known as alcoholism. This alcohol makes a person drowsy and confused. He cannot do his regular work in a proper way. He loses control over his own action. He cannot do his own work properly. Alcoholism also causes diseases of liver, intestine, and urinary bladder. It is best to stay away from the bad habits like alcoholism, chewing tobacco, and all that. Never be negligent about the health. Take care of your health in a proper way, and it will lead to directly, indirectly to our community health also. The condition of the addicts become pathetic, and addicts family too has to suffer with them. An addicted person's family also suffers a lot with the alcoholic person. Now, please read this for us.
Teacher, what?
Yeah, this drugs, tobacco, and alcohol use and
Drugs, tobacco, and uses an
invitation.
invitation to death.
Yes.
So
Use
drugs
of drugs, tobacco, and alcohol may it
produce a
invitation to our death.
state of any of them and it will kill you. There are people who lure others into smoking, drinking, or trying out drugs on account should be give in their pressure. The help of doctor should be the sought immediately to right the person of the habit if the person start getting addicted to the bad habit.
Yes. Here we have seen say no to drugs. If we cannot say, it may lead to our bad health and indirectly to our community health. Now, some good habits, some bad habits, and some pointless habits we have. Let's go through it. One should eat regularly and take up sports and other hobbies. One should be firm in avoiding any bad habit. It is a good habit for our society. All of us have certain habits. Some such habits are mentioned here. Put them into three groups. That's are good habits, bad habits, and pointless. That means not affected in any other way. Informing your family members where you are going and when you will be back. Is this good for you or not?
Good.
Yes. Telling truth to our friends and family.
It is also good.
Feeding with one's hair, a pencil, etc. all the time.
It is wrong.
Yes. Beating one's nails.
Wrong.
Making the school bag ready the night before.
Right.
It is good habit. Very good. Frequently forgetting one's umbrella, raincoat, pencil, pen, etc. Is it affected to anyone? Yes.
Teacher, we should take the umbrella, raincoat, pencil.
Yes. Putting a limit on TV time and sticking on it.
It is right.
Yes, it is good habit. Now let's have an evaluation. How can you achieve excellent health? Excellent.
Through nutrition, diet, personal hygiene, exercise, and pursuit of hobbies lead to excellent health.
Yes, very good. Through nutritious diet, personal hygiene, exercise, and pursuit of hobbies may lead to excellent health. Now, what factors are a threat to community health?
The factors that treat to community health are carelessness regarding health and hygiene.
Yes, carelessness regarding our health and hygiene may a big threat to community health. Now, this is a homework for you. Take a screenshot and do it. I will also provide you on our channel. This is the fill in the blanks for you. A healthy and wholesome life leads to feeling of friendship.
Friendship.
Constant presence of tobacco in digestive organs can lead to cancer of what? Digestive system. That leads to diseases of the liver, intestine, and urinary bladder. It is alcoholism.
Alcohol.
The most important factors in the community's progress and development are its people's health. People's health. Good community good community dash can be achieved through habits of hygiene and health.
Health and hygiene.
Yes. Now, here I would like to say, tell my dears to stay home, be safe, wash your hands regularly, wear mask, and whenever you move out for anything, keep a safe distance.
Teacher, we should wash hand regularly, wear mask, and keep distance.
Yes. Now, I would like to say thank you to my all dears who attend today's lecture and participate with me in today's my regular class, online class, and be safe, stay away from many diseases, contagious diseases, to keep our society and community strong. Thank you, my dears.